My name is Pete Mara, and I'm the director of the Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center. This is one of the most exciting times of the year, especially if you're a geeky ornithologist like myself. Billions of migratory birds are actually coming across the Gulf of Mexico after migrating for 14, 16, 18 hours. They've left Central America at like 8 o'clock the night before. They've gone up and they're migrating at night, and we're here on the coast of Texas, which is this really important spot. Birds are these, you've heard it before, they are the canaries in the coal mine. We see it all the time. They are these incredible indicators of the health of the environment. Unfortunately, most migratory birds are declining around the world, including in the United States and Canada. Our goal is to try to keep these species common and to bring back those species that have been declining rapidly.
My name is Autumn Lynn Harrison. I am a research ecologist with the Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center and the program manager of the Migratory Connectivity Project. The Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center is dedicated to understanding and conserving this amazing phenomenon of bird migration. So we do research, we tell really compelling stories to inspire people to conserve birds.
For the past 7 or 8 years, we've set up a station here to set up mist nets around the site to catch these birds, just to take a small sample of these migratory birds as they come into the U.S. and to capture them, to band them, to pull blood samples, to try to understand just a little bit about what's going on during this incredible migration period.
We hope to use that information to prevent declines of bird populations, to discover unknown migrations, to test new technologies, and to really inspire others to care about migratory birds. The only way we are going to understand why we may be losing populations of migratory birds is to know where they breed, the paths they take to spend their overwintering periods. The only way we're going to be able to protect them is to understand what they do through the entire year.
In 2014, we started working with the Smithsonian on the Migratory Connectivity Project. It's been fascinating working with some top leading world scientists to really better understand that bird migration, areas that they're going to, especially since a lot of these birds are migrating through a flyway that connects a lot of our different areas of operation. We've had expeditions here along the Gulf Coast in Texas, up in Colorado, the North Slope of Alaska, up into Canada, and now we've just recently started expeditions down in Colombia.
We've tracked birds with the longest migration in the world. We have worked in sites that we never would have been able to have access to without ConocoPhillips actually supporting that work.
We're in the process of analyzing these data, writing the papers, telling the stories of these birds so we can get this out to the public, get it out to the decision makers, get it out to the people that can really make a difference on the ground to protect the habitats or in order to remove the threats. We need to make sure our environment is healthy, not just for birds, but for everybody. And birds just provide that wonderful indicator of the conditions that we're leaving the planet.